Let's draw a T-Rex. Roughly a third to the left of the page and 1/3 of the page. We'll start by drawing an S-curve. This is the head of the T-Rex. Then draw another S-curve, which is the upper mouth. Another curve for the lower mouth. And finish off the head with another curve for the jawline. Next, we'll draw the inner line of the mouth. And then the sharp teeth along the top and bottom of the mouth. Now we'll draw an open triangle for the nose and a curve where the eye is going to be, a circle for the eyeball, and let's color it in. Another curve on the other side, which is the other eye. And then we'll draw a concave curve, which is the neckline, a big hump on its back, which continues to the tail along the bottom of the page. Now let's draw the legs. Roughly under the hump of the back of the T-Rex, draw another curve. The 3 large toes. The 4th vestigial toe, and complete the leg with another curve on the other side. Connect the tail to the leg, and then we'll move on to the second leg. Another curve with 3 large toes. The 4th vestigial toe, and the second leg is done. Moving on under the neck, we'll draw the arm, the fingers, and the other side of the arm. Let's connect the head to the arm and connect the arm to the leg. And now let's draw the second arm. A straight line, and then the 3 fingers, and another straight line. Now let's add some U-curves along the back of the T-Rex, starting from the back of its head, the back of its neck, with bigger curves along the hump. And finish just before its tail. Now let's color them in. And next we'll draw the baby T-Rex, starting with an egg and the bottom of the other half of the cracked egg with the jagged edge, with the baby T-Rex coming out of it. Then draw the mouth of the baby T-Rex and the eye and the other half of the cracked eggshell, and with the same jagged edge. Now draw circular patterns on the eggs. Finish up the circular patterns on the eggshells. And finally, we'll draw the ground line. Straight line across the page. And we are done!